Hello everyone, in this video we saw the solution of exercise 3.2 of third chapter coordinate geometry from NCERT textbook of class 9 maths. So here is the first question of exercise 3.2. In this question it has been said write the answer of each of the following questions. Okay, the first part of question number 1 is we have asked what is the name of horizontal. Okay, what is the name of horizontal. What is the name of horizontal and the vertical lines drawn? Horizontal and vertical lines drawn. Okay, what is the name of horizontal and vertical line drawn to determine the position to determine the position of any point in the Cartesian plane. Okay, of any point in the Cartesian plane. Okay, so the first part we have to ask what is the name of horizontal and vertical line drawn to determine the position of any point in the Cartesian plane. Okay, so as we know, what is the name of horizontal and vertical line drawn to determine the any position of any point in Cartesian plane? Okay, this is called x axis. Okay, this is called x axis and y axis. So the answer of first part, the name of the horizontal and vertical line. Okay, the name of the horizontal and vertical line drawn to determine the position of any point in the Cartesian plane is x axis and y axis. Clear? X axis and y axis. Okay, clear? Okay, the horizontal line is called x axis and vertical line is called y axis. Clear? Next, what is the name? Second part, we have to ask what is the name of each part of the plane. Name each parts of the plane. What is the name? Each part of the plane formed by these two lines. Plane formed by these two lines. Okay, so can you guess, children, what is the name? Each part of the plane formed by these two lines. Remember, these two lines x dash y, y dash. So these two lines formed by the arc of the plane, by these two lines, name is, can you guess? It's called quadrant. Okay, so here answer is quadrant, called quadrant. Clear? Okay, okay. Next, the third part is write the name of the point where these two lines intersect. Write the name of the point write the name of the point where these two lines intersect. Where these two lines intersect. Okay, write the name of the point where these two lines intersect. Okay, so the name of the point where these two lines intersect is called origin. Okay, this is origin. So answer of this question is origin. Okay, this is called origin and denoted by O. Remember? So this is required solution of question number 1. Now move to the question number 2. Okay, this exercise contains only 2 questions. Comprises each part few parts each question. Okay, so now move to the question number 2. Okay, so in question number 2, we have to ask, see the figure and write the following. Okay, here figure is given. This is y dash, x, this is x dash, this is origin. Okay, right here mark 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, and on this side -1 -2 -3 -4 -5. Okay, and positive y axis, this is 1 2 3 4 5. Here is -1 -2 -3 -4 -5. Okay, and also we have 6 line passing through 2 to 6. On this side is 5 to 3 okay, next 2 2 minus 4 4, this is G H B, this is B and this is H. Okay, next 3 to 5, this is 3 to 5, minus 3 to minus 5, coordinate is E, this is E. Okay, next 5, this is 5, this is C. Okay, and this is D. Okay, so this is the figure. To see the figure and write the following answer of the question. Okay, the first part is the coordinate of B. Okay, we have to ask the coordinate of B. The coordinate of B. So here the coordinate of B is minus 5 comma 2. Okay, so the coordinate of B is minus 5 comma 2. Okay, next we have to ask the coordinate of point C. Second, the coordinate of point C. Okay, so the coordinate of point C is 5 comma minus 5. Okay, third part is the point identified by the coordinates 3 minus 3 comma 5. The point identified by the coordinates identify the coordinate minus 3 comma 5. Write the coordinate is minus 3 comma 5. Okay, so minus 3 comma 5 is minus 3 comma 5. Okay, so this is point E. Okay, so here answer is point D. Point D is the point whose coordinate is minus 3 comma minus 5. Fourth, the point identified by the coordinate 4 comma minus 4. The point identified by the coordinate identified by the coordinate 2 comma minus 4. 2 comma minus 4 is 2 comma minus 4. So this is 2 minus 4 G. Okay, so the required answer is G. The required point G whose coordinate is minus 2 comma minus 4. Okay, next part is the abscissa of the point D. Okay, the abscissa of the point D. Okay, the abscissa of the point D. abscissa means x-axis. So what is the x coordinate? We have to ask of the point D. So here is the point D means 6, 2. So the abscissa of the point D is D is 6. Okay, the abscissa of the point D is 6. Next, okay, next we have to ask the ordinate of point H. The ordinate of the point H. The ordinate of the point H. The ordinate of the point. The ordinate of the point H. Okay. So where is the point H? Okay, here is the point H. So we have to ask ordinate of the point H. Ordinate is y-axis. So ordinate of point H is -3. Okay, -3. Ordinate means y-axis. Next, the coordinate of the point L. Okay, the coordinate of the point L. Okay, this is M. Here is M and here is the L. So we have to ask the coordinate of the coordinate of the point L. Coordinate of the point L. Okay. So the coordinate of the point L is 5, 0, 5. Next we have to ask this is 6, 7 and this is 8, 5. The coordinate of point M, right here, the coordinate of point M. Okay, so coordinate of point M is -3, 0. Okay, -3, 0. So dear children, this is the required solution of all part of question number 1 and 2 of exercise 3.1.